In this video, you will finally understand how to build bias as an intraday trader or swing trader using the daily time frame structure and candlestick formation. Make sure you watch this video to the end because there is somewhere in this video where I give an important techniques of how you can predict the next candle direction even if the trend is an uptrend or a downtrend. My name is Joshua OGH. I welcome you to my channel where I'm documenting my forex journey to become a profitable and professional trader. I also teach on my strategy on important updates like this. So please like, comment and subscribe if you are not. So let's begin. As an intraday trader or a swing trader, why choose the daily time frame for your buyers? Now, from my own perspective and for what I've noticed, there are three reasons why I choose the daily time frame for my buyers. The first reason is it has stronger reaction zones, zones that are being created by institutionals, by the big banks, those people controlling the forex market. Now, the second reason is structure is so neat. Even a beginner can immediately identify the trend. Now, if you look at this trend, you can clearly see that price is coming to the downside. Price came to the downside and it went to the upside, came to the downside once again, and went to the upside once again. So as you can see, the structure on the daily time frame is so neat. Now, the best part I love the most in this daily time frame, which is the number three reasons, is that it has a higher risk to reward ratio. Now, as an intraday or a swing and mostly an intraday trader, if you are looking for bias on the daily time frame and you spot a specific bias or you got the direction of the market and you go to the lower time frame, which I'm sure you are using maybe 45 minutes, 1 hour or 15 minutes, even the 5 minutes time frame, so your risk to reward ratio will be high or your profit targets will be high. So these are the reasons why I'm choosing the daily time frame as my bias time frame. I hope you are with your pen and your book so that you will jot an important things from this video. Trust me guys, this video is going to mean a lot to you and you will definitely thank me later after watching this video to the end. We are now on the daily time frame. So what I want to say is, why I'm doing this is because why I use these techniques, or I'll say this, bias techniques, is because just imagine this whole daily candle. Let me mark it for you guys. Just imagine this whole daily candle that form right here, this bearish candle, which is this one. This bearish candle that form right here is something that we or you could have made money from if you have caught the move, right? It's something. Now there is information that happened around this area that made this candle to push to the downside and make this candle to push to the downside. Now this is what I'm going to teach you in this video. Now we are combining it with the most recent break of structure, or say or the trend or the overall trend also. Now what are we seeing? We can see the most recent break of structure is to the downside, right? Definitely price is coming to the downside. We have the most recent break of structure to the downside, and this has confirmed that yes, our daily time frame is in a bearish order flow. So we want to use candlestick, or the next or the previous candlestick, I mean to say the previous candlestick, to anticipate where the next candlestick will be going next. So what are we seeing on the chart right here? As you can see, you see price broke after this lower high, price give us a lower low. Right now this candlestick in a hole, this candlestick right here push push price back to this key level, or say to this resistance level right here. It push price to the upside. Like after this down move, it went up, medicated and gave a rejection and closed below this bearish candle. Now this tells us that price is ready to continue the move. So what happened after that candle? Price pushed to the upside with this other previous candle and came down, but it did not break, or it did not close in the high of this candle. It closed below it. Definitely it means price will still be coming down or hitting this our candlestick low. You get? So now this other previous candle has did the same thing, which is he opened, went up, it did not close around this area right here, it just came down, and so we are expecting another candle like this to form, because price reject from all this level right here, it means the sellers are still pushing price down. Definitely price will still give us another bearish candle at this area right here, still give us another bearish candle to the downside. Now I've not really seen this price before, but let me just play it out for you guys to see. So let me play it out. Okay, price is giving an indecisive candlestick. Now what do you see? Now that my prediction was wrong for the first time, and but still it did not break below this low. What did it do? It went up to this level once again, and it rejected once again. Definitely it means sellers is still pushing price down. Now we might have the move around this area to this downside. So let's see if price did that. As you can see, price is pushing to the downside, price is pushing to the downside. Now what where this candle, we are about to use this candle to predict the next move. What the price do? If you see something, we already said price will be coming to the downside, right? We already say, but this candlestick formation is telling us something, that price could potentially pull to pass this high now before coming to the downside. Like what I mean is price might reach to this area before coming to the downside. Now let's see something, because price did not close below this low, this previous daily low right here. As you can see, this is our previous day candle, this is our previous daily candle right there. So we have our previous daily candle, but price came down, it came down, rejected from the level, even tapping into this previous daily low, if into this previous daily low, and it's rejected, and it closed inside this previous daily candle range. So definitely price might be heading to this upside, buyers might be pushing price to the upside before coming to this downside. Now let's see how this plays out. Let's see. As you can see, what did I say? Price pushed to the upside. Why? Because it rejected the previous daily low right here. It's called rejection candle. Now it has gotten to this area. What did it do? Let's see. Now let's predict this other next candle. Now we have a full bullish candle closing once again outside this previous daily candle. Now this is our previous daily candle, this is our previous daily candle. Now all this move, if you can anticipate, or your anticipation is right, you can now go to the lower time frame and start looking for your entry model and write that move you have already anticipated on the daily time frame. Just imagine, as I've predicted this move to go to the upside and went to the daily the the lower time frame, and I caused the move. I would have caught, let's say a rule of 448 pip move. Maybe sometimes price might have pushed higher before I call the move, but at least the 100 pip, a 50 pip will have been my take profit. Or sometimes I don't really see entry, I just calm down, become being disciplined, and do other things. Yeah. So now once again we see a bullish candle closing above the previous daily candle, which means buyers might be stronger again, and it might be pushing to the downside. Now we are still based on price is still in a downtrend. Let's not forget price is in a downtrend, but because of the previous daily candle reaction, we are trying to predict the next, or anticipate the next daily candle move once again. So now this it means with this bullish candle right here closing above this previous daily candle, it means price is not ready to come down except to give us a sell signal. Now let's see. To me, price is still will still be pushing to the upside once again, because it closed above this previous daily candle. Now let's see. Now as you can see, price really pushed up to the downside before coming down once again. As you can see, it took out this low right here, and it came down drastically immediately after taking this high out, and it came down once again. But what did it do? It rejected. But this is not actually the real deal, because this is the real deal right here, which means this our daily candle, because this is a bullish candle, and price, we are expecting price to push to the upside, but unfortunately price took this high hard but did not close above it. Just like this one, it closed below at the same level right here. It closed at the same level, which means this our previous daily candle has turned into a bearish trend, which means price now we is ready to come down to this level right here. So let's see, let me play price and see what price is doing. As you can see, price is about to push to the downside because it has given us a bearish sign, and like it took liquidity from this high and closed above. Definitely, let's see another bearish. As you can see, what a nice one. Price has come down and it has taken this low out. Now price has given us the most recent break of structure to this downside once again. So because price is in the up and a downtrend, we are trying to anticipate through the next candle. So because this candlestick is having a huge body, definitely I don't know what price is going to do next. Yeah, because price has oversold, so we might have a a retracement back to the upside before price can come back down. So my job as a trader is that I'm waiting for price to give me a sell signal once again. So let's see something. Let's see, let me play pride and see. So okay, pride has given us a nice bullish move. Definitely we might be having a push up, a push up. Okay, once again, what do we see? Price close. This was the candlestick that pushed price down, so it has went up there. If price is to come down, it would have rejected from this level. It would have, price might would have closed below this level, but as you can see, it closed outside of the candle, and which means we might have a another bullish candle to the upside, maybe to this level or maybe to this red level before price might come down once again. So let's see what price did. Okay, as you can see, price went to this upside right here and it closes below at the same level of this previous day candle, as you can see, which means sellers rejected this high right here and it closed below this range. It closed below this range. Definitely we are now having a nice downtrend till this low. Let's see something. Okay, as you can see, price really went down there to take this high right here. Now another bullish, or I mean another bearish candle has been formed already. Now let's see what price does. Let's see. Okay, now a bullish candle, a bearish candle have closed, but what is the difference? What's the difference between this candle and this candle? Let's see something. To me, I'm still anticipating another sell candle. Now I'll tell you my reason why I'm still anticipating another sell candle, because this previous this recent daily candle closed below it. Definitely sellers did not have this, buyers do not have the strength to push price inside of this previous daily candle range. So definitely I might still have another sell to the downside until price will close above or at the same level of the previous daily candle before I can anticipate a sell once again. So let's see what price does. Okay, you see a bullish candle form just like as I anticipated. So now another bullish candle has closed outside of the previous daily candle, so I'm still anticipating a bullish candle once again, a bearish candle. So let's see. Okay, okay, as you can see, what is this? A huge rejection candle. A huge rejection candle has closed inside of the previous daily candle range, and wow, this huge is so moved. This huge is so huge. Let me check on this over let me check on the overall structure. I think price is, wow, as you can see. Okay, now let's see something. This our previous this our recent candlestick is actually confirming something. Now if you look at the previous, if you look at the recent overall break of structure, you see this overall break of structure to this upside right here, and price have find its way down to this demand level. As you can see, price have find its way down to this demand level, as you can see. So that is why it gave a huge rejection candle and it has closed inside of the previous daily candle. As you can see, it has closed inside the previous of the daily candle. Now what should we be doing? Because price has come back to the extreme zone, which is the last demand zone, price might be pushing its way up to break this other high right here. So now I now have my overall bias. So what should I be doing? I should be looking for buying opportunities using candle reaction. Don't forget that this is the daily time frame. We anticipate, or we have an idea of where the next candle is going to move next, and we go to the lower time frame and look for our entry model and take the trade. So let's see something. Now my anticipation is price is going to keep on pulling up to the upside. So I should be looking for buying opportunities. Now let's see. Now the first one I have is price is going to take out this high, this previous daily high. So let's see something. Let's see something. As you can see, price came down a little bit and it's pushed up, breaking this, passing this previous day high. And what did it do? It closes. As you can see, it closed it closed above the previous day high, which means buyers will keep on pushing to the upside. So excuse me, what is okay? So which means buyers will keep on pushing to the upside. As you can see, buyers definitely push price to the upside. And what did it do? It rejected from this high. As you can see, now this rejection, because the overall structure now has become bullish, this rejection once again closes inside this previous daily candle low, inside this previous daily candle range. Definitely we might have a push down a little bit before price might take up to the upside. So let's see something. Let's see. Let me see. As you can see, price definitely pull up. Price pull up immediately after closing at this level. It pull up to a level. Now it's rejected once again. Now this rejection is telling us something, that bias is coming into the market right now. So I'm expecting this high to go. I'm expecting this our high to go right here. Or let's say the most simplest place is this place. So let's see something. Okay, our anticipation was wrong. Our anticipation was wrong. Now price have closed below, which means we have a little push down before the up move. So let's see. Okay, so once again my anticipation was wrong again. My anticipation was wrong. So no issues, no issues. It's about consistency. Now what is price telling me? Price is telling me that the bias is now has now fully stepped into the market, because we now have a market shift in structure, just like as I anticipated from this level right here, that price is going to take out this high. Price is going to take out this high. Now it has done that already. It did not even come close to this low. As you can see, it did not come close to this low before it went there and take down that high. So we might have another bullish continuation. Why? Because price closed with a full body candle above the previous day high. So let's see. So as you can see, price came down a little bit and pushed up higher, breaking this high right here. So we still have a bullish up move, or a bullish candle again. Okay, price are giving us a change of character. Though it took out the high, as you can see, it took out this high, it took out this high, and it's rejected, and it closed at the same level. As you can see, it closed at the same level once again. So what are we anticipating? We are anticipating our next daily candle to give us a nice bearish candle to the downside, or maybe to take out this low, maybe. So let's see if price take out that low. Okay, price have changed once again. Price have changed. What is, we see a bullish candlestick, a bullish candlestick. Definitely price have rejected. It came down once again. It came down and it rejected from this level right here and push up to the upside. Definitely we have a bullish candle. We have a bullish candle. Wow, wow, as you can see. Now imagine if I've anticipated this in real life, and I went to the you know lower time frame and I got an entry. You can imagine how I got a nice 151 pip, guys. 151 pip is a huge one for me because my stop loss is maximum 11 pip. Sometimes I even got four pip stop loss. Imagine. So it's a nice risk to reward ratio trade. Now we are having a bullish uptrend. We are having a bullish candle closing above this recent candle. What should we be anticipating once again? We should be anticipating a another bullish candle to the upside once again. We might be anticipating, or like we are anticipating a bullish candle to the upside once again. So let's see which candle comes out. As you can see, a bullish candle comes out, but there is, we just see something. What is this candle telling us? This recent candle close inside of this previous daily candle range, and what does it do? It has come to this, you know, strong supply level, because this supply level actually push price to the downside. So definitely, we the combination of a strong supply level and price closing inside the range has given us enough confidence or enough confluence that price might be, giving us a bearish candle to the downside. So let's see. As you can see, a nice bearish candle came down immediately. Imagine if I've gotten this in real life, or I caught a trade. Now this is a nice one. So what are we seeing right here? We are seeing price is rejecting, but to be honest, this is still close. It's still close. Is above. It's still close uh, below this bearish candle. But let's see what price do. To me, I'm still anticipating a buy. I'm still anticipating a sell, because what price, though price came into this fair value gap, and let's see what price doing. Okay, as you can see, price came down to take down this high. This is where I should be, looking for buy. What the price do? Price came down, it's rejected from this previous daily low, and went there and closed at the same level. So I'm anticipating a bullish candle next. Okay, price did not give out that bullish candle, though it broke this high, took this high out, and it has rejected and closed inside this previous daily range at the same level. So I'm still anticipating another sell. I'm anticipating a sell candle to the downside once again. So first of all, let me clean all this so you won't get confused. So let's see another bearish candle. Boom. So another bearish candle is forming once again. So I'm still anticipating another bearish candle, because why? Price have closed below the recent daily candle low. So let's see. As you can see, what happened? Price came down all the way down. Price came down all the way down, all the way down to this level, to this, taking this low out. Like, you can see how far it came. You can see how many people. Let's see if we have gotten a trade right around this area and follow the move that we might have got 142 pip. It's enough profit for a day. It's enough profit for that day before price rejected and close inside this daily candle. Now price have rejected from this daily candle, which means I'm having a buy candle, or I'm having a buy projection for another bullish candle to push to the side. But price have not actually closed above. Price have not closed above. But the most important thing is the low, which is this low. Price close at the same level of the previous daily candle. So I want to see a buy candle. I want to see this high being taken out. So let's see. Okay, as you can see, a nice one. Price came down to this level once again and pushed to the upside. You can see how we are, anticipating from this level, from all this level right here, from all this level to this, from this level to this level. You can see where we are right now. Now if you look at the structure, you can clearly see price giving all this higher low, higher highs, higher low once again, and price is about to give us another higher high once again. So as you can see, now let's move, because price have closed above this previous daily high. Let me delete all this first of all. So because price have closed above this our previous daily high right here, I'm still anticipating a sell. Now don't forget, we have a level right here price might reverse from. So we are, if you are, like, if you come across this um price action, you want to be careful. So but let's see what price do. Let's see what price do. Okay, as you can see, price blast it completely. Now we have a price have closed and below above this high once again. I'm still anticipating a sell. I'm still anticipating a buy to this upside. So let's see. Okay, boom, we were wrong on this one. We were wrong on this one. Now what has happened? Price have changed once again. Nevertheless, we are still in the uptrend where price has given us another higher high once again, but it rejected from that high, and it closed below this level. It did not give us any rejection candle. As you can see, it closed below. So I'm anticipating a sell candle. Let's see. As you can see, another sell candle have been printed out, but it did not break, did not came down to take out this close. So let's see if we still got another bearish candle. Boom, as you can see now, this what is price telling us is that price have closed below this candlestick. It means we are still bullish. The bullish time frame has not, the buyers is not ready yet to take price to the upside once again. So I'm still anticipating another sell candle. You can see if price close in if price close below the previous daily candle, definitely price might come down the next day. If price reject from a low and close at the same level of the previous daily low, it means price will be going to the upside once again. Or if price close above a previous daily candle, it means price will continue to go up the next day. Now as you can see, price has finally taken out this low right there, and it has closed above the previous daily candle, as you can see, which means we are having a buy. Price is ready now to take out this low, to take out this high once again. Now let's see. I'm anticipating another bullish candle. As you can see, this is not a bullish candle, but it's at least took out this high once again and pushed to the upside. So let's see, we're having an indecisive candlestick. um this is now confusing, but let's see. For my own experience and what I've known, price will give me a bullish candlestick. Now why? Because this previous daily candle closed below, this candle, right, this bullish candle closed above this previous daily candle, and it printed an indecisive candle, came down, rejected from this, and it closes this area. So I'm having two confluence. One, a bullish candle and price came down, but buyers push it up to this upside. So I'm having a bullish anticipation. Price will take out this high at least, or just break this high right here. So let's see something. Let's see what price did. Play. Okay, as you can see, the nice one, price has given us another break of structure. Wow, this is nice. Now let's predict another one once again. Now this candlestick is so used that I cannot even, I'm afraid price will come down. If I anticipate another move, price might give me something wrong, but let's do it. So now price have closed above this candlestick, and it has broken this high, but because of the huge bullish momentum, price might have a little push up once again. So let's see. As you can see, wow, this is nice. Something you practice every day is you become a master of it. Now price close above the high, so I will be anticipating another buy. Let's see, another buy once again. Price to card is high. It's so simple. Now what is this candlestick telling us? Now what is this previous candlestick telling us? This previous daily candlestick is telling us that this price rejected, sellers push price and close below or inside of this previous daily candle, which means I might have we are going to have a sell. We are going to have a sell. At least price will, come to this level. Price will come to this level. Now let's see if I'm wrong. Wow, okay. Price came down a little bit. Price came down, but it did not come down to that our level, and it is rejecting from this level. price is rejecting for this level. Now where is our previous, because we are still in the uptrend. I'm going with the buys. So let's see, I'm going with the buys. Okay, I'm wrong, but price, at least it took out this high once again. It took out this high once again. Now let's see how many pip the price give us from this level to this level. It's let's say 22 pip, or let's say a 20, yes, a 21 pip. I mean, if you caught a move, and like me, my stop loss is sometimes 10 pip or 5 pip. I might got 1 is to 2. I mean, set break even, and things like that. So now my anticipation is wrong. My anticipation was wrong. So let's see. We are having, what are we having? Price have closed. Price came down once again. It came down once again, and it closed inside of that candle range. As you can see, it closes above, so I will be having a buy signal, so let's see if the buy signal comes up. Boom. What did I say? A nice one, a nice one, a nice one. It's just consistency predicting how the next candle is going to come, or how the next candle is going to form. Is sometimes I'm surprised. So let's see how many pip is this. We have 86 pip. Imagine if we lost on this first one, on this on this candle, on this prediction. Now you can see we are right. Price has given us a high risk to raw ratio trade if we are cutting from that. So this is what I have, but this video is getting too much long. We still have a huge way to go, a huge way before price take out this high right here. But this video has been long already. So if this video has helped you a lot to understand how to predict the next candle using the previous daily candle closing or open, please do well to like, subscribe, and most importantly, turn that notification bell so that you get notified, because I'm about to I'm still doing another video like this once again for a different pattern on how you can predict or anticipate the next candlestick formation or the direction. So thank you once again.